Yes, start streaming. Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? Are we live? No? Yes? Let's see. It looks like it's working. Is it working? I'm gonna assume that it's working. So hopefully you guys can hear me. If so, that's good. Okay, and okay, now we're good. Finally, jeez. It's okay. Yeah. Right. So Studio Mountain now. We go to there we go. Right. OBS on Mac. Actually, just basically anything graphics related on Mac is trash. So trying to get this up and running is rather interesting. All right, so I haven't looked into this at all, so we're just going to go at it, and we're going to see how similar it is to the last time I installed High Sierra. I'm going to set up the computer really quick, so yeah, and get that all working. I'm using a spare computer. I don't even know if you guys can hear me. I'm using a spare computer right now. I have to swap out the hard drive though before I get started. Just gotta find the hard drive. That would be fantastic. So while I'm doing this, if you guys have any tips, maybe I'm screwing something up, let me know. That would be nice. There it is. Yeah, I'm gonna swap this out with a solid state. Might as well, and we can test the speeds on what's that called? Apple File System. Oh yeah, hopefully that works out. Supposedly Kepler and the 600 series. What is 600 series? Maxwell? Whatever it's called. Hopefully we get some graphic supports. If not, hopefully NVIDIA will have something. Although it takes NVIDIA like 4 weeks before they'll post any drivers. Even though that they've already had the Goldmasters copy for quite some time now, a week, and they've been testing, so I don't know. Just getting this all ready, and then I'll get the capture cards up and running, and we'll be good to go. Okay, I'll just leave it like that. Right, let's see. 2 minutes remaining, that's not bad. I thought their servers would be swamped today. Yeah, they probably are. Okay, got that up and running. Let's see, capture card. Let's see, what do I have for HDMI? One minute remaining. All right. Do I even have a flash drive that I can use? Huh. I'm really not prepared, but that's okay. Who needs to be prepared? No one does. Just gonna leave it like that. HDMI. I don't have any HDMI. Oh, yes, I do. It's just over here in this pile. It's pretty bad when you have a pile of cables and you know exactly what's in that pile. How many, like precisely how many HDMI cables and precisely how many Ethernet cables and RCA and whatever else. It's pretty bad. I mean, it's pretty good, but eh. Except when your HDMI cable doesn't even plug into the graphics card for whatever reason. There we go. Right. Let's see here. I think that's good. What else? Less than a minute. Good, 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 good. Oh. Okay. This is really weird. Okay. I need to see what flash drive I can use. Actually, is this one? Hopefully I can use USB 3 because I want to use USB 3. It's a good excuse. Perfect. Yeah, I'll use that one. Jeez. Disk utility won't even open. That's nice and slow. Okay, let's see. Studio mode, and how does one do this? Let's see, display capture. I'm gonna add, what is this thing called? What does it say? Oh, good. Good. Actually, why did that, or, whoa, no. Okay, oh, look at that. Weird. Install ESD is already mounted. That's kind of strange, because I didn't even, Alright, let's get this set up first. Video capture device, I think. Device doesn't even show up. This was working. Just not today. Oh, you can do chroma key. Oh, that's pretty cool. What does that say? I'll update really quick. Smoking fast internet speed. How many people are watching? 3 people? Not bad. Okay. Sweet. So, okay, this is up now. Although I need to see what's going on with the video capture device. Device doesn't even show. That's always nice. Oh, I remember how to do this. Yeah, that's just nice. This is fantastic. Love this thing. Good morning. It's not morning, but good morning. Guten Tag. Well, no, that's good day. Guten Morgen. Let me go get a keyboard really quick because I don't have a keyboard with me. Just stole the keyboard from the server, but that's okay. We don't need that. Server don't need that. What? No. Hopefully this thing actually has some power. If so, then I'm going to have to go steal another keyboard. But that's okay. We don't care about that. Yeah, no one else needs a keyboard. Alright. Okay. Okay. Mouse is on. Keyboard doesn't tell me anything. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh. Well, that's good. Keyboard has some juice. That's good. That's all I care about. So, this is going to be really weird. Video or window capture. Can I do window capture? Yeah, that right there. And then I'll... Oh, it's already set up. How many attempts? Just started. Legit, just downloaded it. And can I minimize this? No. OBS, no. OBS won't let me. But if I do that, will it? Oh, wait, this is... You're not seeing this. That's right. Disable studio mode. There we go. Yeah, running on 15 frames per second. This is smoking fast. Alright, let's... I need to get my commands. I don't even have my commands. Yeah. I gotta go find the commands to make the USB installer. I don't even know why I call it USB installer. It's a flash drive. USB is a standard. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Terminal. Let's see what we got. So we have this. This is from my last video. Forgot this is case sensitive. And if I could type, that would be really good. Oh, the fan in this power supply on this computer is crap. It's just bearings are bad on it. Hi, Sierra. All right, let's see if that works. What? Oh. Well, so far, it's sort of working. So I wonder what's going to happen. Let's see. Did anyone post anything on? Well, no one posted anything on the forum. That's good. I mean, it's not. I pay for that, but don't need the forum. Oh, I just realized something. Yeah, there we go. Wasn't hearing anything. That's okay. Let's see. How slow are we going? Actually, it's down here. 5, not even megabytes per second. Nice. I think it's system install D. No. Oh, what is this command called? It's not showing up on the list. Let's see, what is the thing called? I forgot what it's called. It's not. Unless it's... No, it shouldn't be that, but whatever. Looks like it's not doing anything, but we'll see. We'll just... yeah, okay. Download slow? No. No, it was actually pretty quick. It was about 5 minutes. It said 5 minutes, so I'm going to say it's 5 minutes. I was plugging in a computer, so I didn't really pay attention all too much. Well, I guess while this is loading, we might as well see what's up with the computer. In terms of, does it even boot the last... oh, come on, go. There it goes. Doesn't boot that. The... I don't have a bootloader on this, I don't think. That was the issue last time with this thing, is that the bootloader wasn't working. Oh yeah, Jesus is there. Good old Jesus. Yeah, this is a solid state. Yeah. F12. Oh. Wait, what if I do that? I want to see if that shouldn't do anything. Yeah, operating system wasn't found. Yeah, whatever. Shush. Wait, why does it still say that? Oh, because I don't know. Let's see if I can boot this. Wasn't found on that either. Whatever. We don't care. We're fine. It's gonna be wiped anyways, so it's alright. I'm not sure. I mean, the version of Clover that we're gonna be using shouldn't require even dealing with anything. Like, it should just be kind of plug and play, if you know what I mean. It'll ask you if you want to convert over to Apple file system, but yeah, I want to try that out and see, you know, is it actually faster? I don't have any baseline comparisons, but we'll sort of see. But it does want you to go onto Apple file system. Let's see, I'm going to download Clover really quick and get that all taken care of. R4220. Okay. Okay, so I got this right here. Fake SMC, you know, that's probably old. And I just closed that. Damn it. That's nice. Yeah, I just want to close out of the chat, you know. Where's the chat at? I gotta go find the chat. Actually, isn't it? No. Let's see. There's the chat. Pop out chat. I'm not sure. I haven't tried this out yet at all, so we're gonna just see. If it doesn't work, then I'll download an older version, because hopefully that'll work. Fake SMC, hopefully. Let's see, did they update it? 6.7, so that should be good. Is that right? This says 6.7, so it's the latest, I guess. Right, let's see. I think we're good. I think this is all I need, really. Plus my kext right here, which fake SMC, not kext. It's not what I wanted. Replace. And then other non-important documents. 5 people watching. That's pretty good. Still going. Great. Install media right there. So this is, let's see, how big is this thing? Go to applications. So 5.18 gigs. So, I mean, that's normal size. But at the speed of not moving at all, I think this is going to take a few minutes. So, how's life? Efi Checker. No, have not. Is that something new with, oh, nice. Okay, I have this right here. That's going to be kind of interesting. Hopefully, you know how, oh, you have to disable that one, what do you have to disable? On real Macs, you have to disable a certain option in order to edit things in the EFI. I forgot what is this called? Oh, I mean, okay, as long as it does this and just says, oh, issue, and you can just, don't send, hopefully it's fine. Yeah, SIP, whatever that stands for. Jeez. 8 hours ago. I mean, in a way that's good, but in a way I think this is really not solving anything. I think this is going to cause more issues even on like the real Mac end. The real Mac world is like this right here is going to cause issues. One, it's probably going to be a nuisance for most of the home gamers that doesn't understand what's going on. And then next thing you know, they just randomly get pop-ups like this right here. Yeah, I really don't think that this is going to help anyone. I mean, yeah, but I'm not sure. Hopefully this doesn't cause any issues. I mean, I'd prefer it not to cause issues. That would be nice. But let's be honest, there are some really talented developers out there that know what they're doing. And so, even if this was going to be an issue with Hackintosh, I'm sure Clover will probably have, something that you can do. Whatever. Let's see, what are we at? Absolutely no progress. Well, I shouldn't say that. Oh, okay. So 4 gigs out of 5.1. Or 5.2. Whatever it is. But it could always hurry up. That would be nice. See, now who the hell is going to be tampering with someone's firmware? Unless it's like the government. Who is going to be tampering with your firmware? Or your EFI? Literally no one's going to be doing that. I don't know of any, well, I shouldn't say that. Yeah. The government would be like the only real person I'd think would be tampering with firmware. If you're running a real Mac rather than a Hackintosh, Kova asks that you agree to send the reports. Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Like, it doesn't really make sense. Here's the thing. The EFI, or actually I shouldn't say the EFI, but like, here's the issue that I have, is that firmware and EFI are being used interchangeably here, and that obviously isn't 100% the case. Like, EFI is a bootloader. Or, wait, hold on. Is that right? No, wait, whoa. I'm working on, like, very little sleep here, so thinking is rather hard. Good morning. Yeah, I gotta produce more videos, but right now my channel is making a lot of subscribers based on Hackintosh stuff. There's not that much Hackintosh stuff going on, so dying on the inside here. You know, the usual. But yeah, like EFI checking, that's extendable firmware. Yeah, exactly. So, oh, really dying. So like firmware and EFI, firmware is more of like. Oh wait, hold on. Let me actually think. Let me think before I start speaking again. That'd be pretty good. Then okay, if EFI is replacement for BIOS, then what would UEFI be? Would that, because UEFI is bootloader? No, it's not. What is UEFI? Let's just say this right here. Right. Okay, that uses. Okay, I mean, you're right, but like I'm. Just go over here. And I mean, I see what they're talking about with UEFI, you know, allows you to actually boot to guide partition table partitions, or drives, I should say. Well, you know, standard BIOS is not. Let's see. Right, let's see. See, they're saying that right here, that there's hardware and then firmware, and then EFI, and then the operating system. So EFI, if I'm understanding correctly, is essentially not the bootloader, but, well, prior to the bootloader, because bootloader is different, I'm pretty sure. Bootloader would be considered part of the operating system. That's not what I wanted. Let's see. Firmware is a combination of persistent memory, program code, and the data stored in it. Typical examples of devices containing firmware are embedded systems such as traffic lights. You know, yeah, that's a pretty good way to put it. Yeah, I mean, but firmware is pretty much, what do they call it? You know, whenever you program ICs and whatever, or microcontrollers, they have that like security feature so nobody could read the information off of the IC. But like, what's that? Whatever it's called. Isn't firmware what you would put onto that IC? I don't know how far you're into this, but also I'm tired and I don't know what the hell I'm talking about, so. Yeah. Yeah, BIOS was made by IBM, so yeah, older PCs. Yeah, now computers use UEFI. So, yeah, I'd say that's right. But back to, you know, the actual use case of this. Is this done yet? Okay, good. Hopefully, okay. But yeah, back to this right here about the, macOS. I mean, like, what is that going to do for you? That's really not going to do a lot. It's just going to be an error, and you're going to have to reinstall Mac, and the average consumer isn't going to know what the hell's going on. So it doesn't really seem to be all that helpful for anyone. The only reason why I would see that to be useful is, oh, this already has Clover on it. Oh, no, that's not right at all. Wait, what the hell? No, not what I wanted. Have to change the destination drive, and I didn't do it. That's what I need right there. The only reason why I would see that error to be useful is in a government scenario. Something where things are rather important, and I mean, seeing that the checksum doesn't match up to last time that it was checked, that could be a useful scenario. But other than that, home gamer, one, who the hell is going to be tampering with their firmware, and two, they're not going to know what to do with it afterwards. Because look how vague this is. Your computer has detected a potential problem. Send to Apple, don't send, show report. Yeah. Clover taking its sweet time. The Efi Check Tool sends the binary data from the Efi firmware and preserves user privacy by excluding data from which is stored in the NVRAM. Let's see if actually, since this, oh, this didn't, okay, that's right. And we're going to just copy this over. See, the thing is, I mean, I guess that the EFI shouldn't have any user data, which is okay, but still, what else are going to be in those log reports? Doesn't seem, because Apple, they're not known 100% to be the privacy king, if you know what I mean. So, yeah, let's see. I'm going to just copy the... Actually, I shouldn't do that. I'm just going to copy the config.plist file from my computer. But if there's something new in the config.plist file, better know about it. Yeah, I know. I already know. So, let's just see here. Most of this stuff already looks standard. I mean, I'm just skipping over. Fixes is still there, piece of shit. Let's see. You know what? Nah, I shouldn't do that. I'm just going to compare the lines, the amount of code, to the other one, but that wouldn't work. I mean, that looks right. Do you have to remove any audio patches for the Apple HDA? Me personally, I don't even use the what you call that? I don't even use Apple HDA. What I use is a standard, or not a standard, but a separate DAC. So yeah, and I don't think Apple HDA controls other DACs unless it does, which in that case, no, I don't have to do anything. I don't have to touch any of the patches. No. I mean, I do have Voodoo installed, but I really don't even use that. Voodoo's a piece of shit. I know that. Yeah, I use a, what is it called? New Forest Micro DAC 3, or UDAC 3, however you consider it. And it costs me about $90 from Beach Audio. Who's that other company? Bidig or Bidig. It's a really nice DAC. It uses a Texas Instruments something. Well, it's not Texas Instruments. It's a BB company, whatever Scott's called. Worst that can happen is blocking serial number unless you give Apple permission. Restoring the original EFI is technically changing user files, which is illegal, is it not? what are you referring to exactly? Are you referring to if, like, a Hackintosh user was to send that information off? Because hopefully people wouldn't send off that information. And let's see, restoring the original EFI is technically changing user files. No, not 100%. Well, I mean, depends on what you consider the user's files, I suppose. But I mean, that is part of the operating system, and whenever you update the operating system, that would also be considered changing the user's files, albeit at the user's consent. Which, I mean, if Apple does publish an update, then you would be able to, say no to it. But if you say yes to it, they might be able to fix the issues that you've been having. EID, no, that's not useful. See, most of this stuff is just commented out, so hopefully. Yeah, I'll see exit patch and most of the stuff. Yeah, I'm just going to copy over my config.plist file. If I could spell terminal, that would be fantastic. I have a microphone in my way, so it's rather hard to type. Just dev disk 1. 0s1. There we go. It's over here. Okay, I think we're ready to go. Let's, part of me wants to boot into Windows because you'd be able to see things in glorious 60 frames per second, not 13.55 frames per second, 16.19 frames per second, but, that's fine. Oh no, I didn't properly eject the drive. Apple's gonna come after me. Angry Tim Cook. Alright, let's see. Let's see if I can do this. Oh, that's better. Okay, and get the keyboard. Wow. It's straightforward. Let's see what blows up. Hopefully nothing. This is for Hackintosh users. If one were to accidentally send the EFI data for most to all Hackintosh users, the EFI is user-generated, aka Clover. Right. And, I mean, Apple is obviously going to know that, well, they already know that people, do Hackintosh stuff, and they've probably looked into all this EFI stuff that Clover has been doing for quite some time. So I just realized that my microphone's turned down. I'll turn it up just a wee bit right there. No, I don't think randomizing SM BIOS would do anything really, unless it would be changing the serial number, which in that case, yeah, you'd be fine. But I think they just discard the information. Anything that says Clover on it, I think they just discard the information. Unless they wanted to get, look into it and be like, I don't know, this is a serial number. But the thing is, I don't think Apple actually blocks serial numbers. If they do, show me some proof and then I will believe it. But other than that, I'm not 100% on them, actually blocking serial numbers. Right, so we got essentially a black screen because the computer's still on. Oh, it rebooted. Damn it. Oh yeah, well, I mean, even for iMessage, I guess, yeah, iMessage and FaceTime, I'm pretty sure that they do. They would probably block serial numbers in that, but, preventing you from booting, I don't think that would... If that was even what you were inferring, because that's kind of how I see it, is that they would be, you know, if they're going to be blocking serial numbers, iMessage and FaceTime, in my opinion, would be the last priority. So I should probably like move this crap out of the way. Let's see, logo, chat. Yeah. Nice. So my smart water is frozen, and there's a chunk of water or chunk of ice that literally just slammed down into the water, and now I have water all over my face. That's really nice. That's what I wanted. It's fantastic. Let's see here. But it just, I saw a DMOS, but I don't see anything else right now. Let's see. Serial numbers can be blocked if a serial number is used too many times for. Yeah, I can see that. You know what? I'm gonna be right back really quick. So, I'm gonna let this boot up, and I'm gonna try booting it in safe mode. I know that never works anymore, but I'm gonna try it one more time. Well, I haven't tried it this time, but we'll see. I'll be right back. And I forgot to boot Verbose. Nice. Okay, I'm back. Nice. The prohibited sign. Without kernel caches. Yeah, I could try that. Let's see. Let's see. Why did I even bother? Well, we got here. That's not what I wanted. Damn it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Just not thinking straight. This is what happens when you don't get enough sleep. But that's okay. That's okay. Let's see. Where am I at? Going back down to return. Let's see. Okay, is that right? That is right. And let's do verbose. It goes into a boot loop. Nice. That's really fantastic. If I need to, I'll go get the 1050 Ti out of the server. It's only used for transcoding, but yeah, I'll get it out if need be. Now, what's interesting is that it says APFS. What does that say right there? VFSOP? Yeah. Mounted SSD, which is the name of that solid state drive in there. But looking at my phone for something. It's not Apple file systems, so kind of interesting. So it's still not working. Yeah, the drive, I don't think that's Apple file system. I'm pretty sure it's not, but we'll check. We'll check once we get into here and we get it up and running. That would be fantastic. Let's see. Okay, what I could try doing is disabling NVIDIA or disabling the drivers, NVDRV, and just do NV_disable equals 1. Because that sometimes works. Disable equals 1. I know that can't do any of the patches because that actually causes more issues. It actually causes boot loops for me. Oh, hey, man. Oh wow, that's different. Damn. Okay. Oh, well, it's boot what? It's booting? I didn't do anything and now it's booting. Or is it? I'm not sure. It's okay. All right, we're just gonna leave it. Graphics enabler. I don't think is that even used anymore. I think that's Chameleon. I don't think that's used in Clover. Unless it is, which in that case, okay. But I've never needed to use it on at least this one. See, I was hearing people talking about, yeah, just not seeing anything black screen on the 600 series. What is the 600 series? Maxwell? No. Or is it? I'm not sure. I don't remember. And the Kepler series cards. So hopefully NVIDIA will publish something. Or not publish, but post an update for their web drivers. And hopefully this thing will boot. That would be nice. Oh, okay. So, yeah, NVIDIA is the issue. It's always NVIDIA's fault. Now that Apple switched over to AMD for graphics. But that's okay. That's okay. We don't need them. We don't need Apple. Apple doesn't provide driver support for NVIDIA cards anymore. Well, not really. Only the bare necessities. Well, that's good. Is my mouse dead? No. Just the capture card has such a delay that I can't do anything. It's just, yeah, a second of delay. That's fantastic. Let's see, is that Apple file system? Did I try that out? Oh, I must have. All right. Yeah, literally, this is a 32 gigabyte solid state drive. Oh yeah, it's that old. You erase. Oh, yes, SSD. Oh, right, I have to press erase. So, a little bit, there we go. All right, this is actually pretty good. A little bit up, higher. Is that it? Got it. If you have an SSD, whenever you install macOS High Sierra, it'll ask you if you want to convert to Apple file system. I do remember that, but yeah, and they do want you to go on to Apple file system. That's all I know. Okay, a little bit down a little bit. There we go. Oh, I better pass that firmware check. That would be, like, not cool if I couldn't. Oh, I remember the days of, like, MyHack and whatever, and, like, you would start installing and then you'd get the caution sign saying, "Oh, you done goofed, kid," and then like, you'd have to diagnose what the hell's going on, and yeah, trash. I was on Apple file system, but I remember the last time I did a live stream and the last time I made a video on this, I was in HFS Plus. What was that called? macOS Extended Journaled. But then later on, I was thinking about testing to see if, if Apple file system was any quicker. And I didn't get through with finishing the test. I don't remember what happened. But, yeah, I just... it didn't work out, let's put it that way. Because, like, it didn't have the bootloader or anything. But that's okay. That's okay. But it did convert over to Apple file system. It even said that it was an Apple file system, which is nice. So, literally, if you have 600 or 500 series GTX card, or GT card even, oh, this is a GT 630. This isn't GTX. That's right. Damn it. I always forget that. But yeah, if you have a card like that, then you're gonna have to boot NV_disable equal 1. And we're gonna delete that, and we're gonna save. All right. Now the description is fixed. All right, let's see here. Oh, fusion drives. I remember those. Yeah, I wouldn't even bother testing that. I remember, well, I wanted to do fusion drive, but I just don't even want to try. Now, it just the idea of it, just no. It's too damn finicky. Just RAID, man. Well, actually, RAID doesn't do the same thing, so you really cannot do that. SSHD. I'm using an well, you know, this computer is literally the same exact config. I will just show you my screen. Display capture. Here we go. So, system report 14.1. That's right. 14 And I'm literally showing you my serial number. That's fantastic. That's what I wanted to do. That's okay. If all 12 people that are watching right now copied my serial number, hopefully Apple won't ban it. That'd be fantastic if they didn't do that. So don't touch my serial number, people. Let's see, how does one get back to this display? There we go. Ah, that's what I want. Supposedly, yeah. If need be, I'll just go up to like a Mac Pro, something. I don't think. Let's see, where is night shift? There it is. Yeah, I can. Let's see. This is probably gonna crash the live stream, so let's see how this goes. So like, if I, ooh, yikes, that's really glitchy. I click on it. I don't know if you guys can see this, but I click on it and the screen instantly goes warm. And if I bring this down, even this is like warm. And that's just yellow, dude. What if I leave it like that? Oh, because it's off. I see. Duh. That makes sense. I see that the computer has crashed or something happened. Let's see what happened. Alright, so last time. Oh, I didn't put NV under. But I did press that right there, so. Huh. Oh, I didn't boot with selected options. That explains. Alright. Alright, need NVIDIA disable again? Yes. I forgot to put that in. This is weird. It shows the screen as if it crashed, but it hasn't crashed. Weird. Oh, because it says wait a few seconds to continue starting up. Ah. You know what? I'll be right back, and I'm just going to let this boot up. Right, okay. What? Went back to the installer. Well, it doesn't have any other option. Wouldn't let me boot to the solid state, so I'm just going to go back and see what's up. So hopefully, why doesn't enter do anything, especially when it's highlighted? There. Apple makes it easy for me. A little bit higher. There we go. Install. Do you think iDirect Update would work from Sierra? That is what I've been losing sleep over. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm sure of it. The reason why is because like the last but here's the thing. If you're on just standard HFS Plus, I would tell you to stay on it because I don't know what would happen if, you know, the conversion fails. Unless you have backups, which in that case, then whatever. But, yeah. But you should be able to update just fine. Just make sure Clover's up to date. And make sure that we have some sort of experience with getting this thing to boot on a, you know, a basis that we know how to get it to boot. Oh yeah, as long as you have backups, I think you would be fine. But we just got to figure out this Apple file system thing. And we got to figure out why this thing didn't, I don't know, have another option to boot to. Yeah, so that was the issue that I was having with whenever the beta came out. Literally, it just kept on saying 31, 32 megabytes and wouldn't let me. Okay, so this is the same thing that's happening, so that's going to be an issue. I got to look into that. But yeah, literally 31, 32 megabytes. It wasn't doing anything. What I had to do is update. I had to update my installation for macOS 10 point whatever, 10.12.3 to 10.10 or 10.12.5 was the minimum that I had to be on in order to update. I remember that. Or was it 5? Oh, whatever the hell it was. Okay, so this isn't working out. So I'm thinking about going back over to just HFS Plus. What is that? macOS Extended Journal. What I'm going to try doing is 10.10.4. Is that what you're on, or is that what you needed to be on in order to update? Because, yeah. Or get the update, the proper one. Let's see. What is Clover Apple file system? I don't know what else to put down. I might have to put in the Apple file system thing in there for Clover. Oh, you're on 10.12.6. See, I don't know if, I mean, I'm going to install it because we're going to see how this thing works. Let's see. Flash drive. I need permission to download something. You know, I hate websites like that. It's like, piss off. Oh yeah, I put fake SMC in there. If I didn't have fake SMC in there, it would take freaking 20 minutes to boot. And then it would crash. And then I would get really pissed off. Because that's just rude. Okay, Apple file system.zip is done. Let's figure that one out. There we go. That's more better. And I'm gonna put this right here and open that. There we go. Okay, Mark just installed the 950 950 card and disabled onboard Skylake Intel 530 graphics. When I reboot, get 4 beeps. Never built a computer until now, and I googled the beeps. Have no idea. My dad and 2 technicians can't fix it. 1. Have you tried resetting the BIOS? The thing is, if let's see, Apple file. Do I already have that on my desktop? Oh, it's over there. Ah, okay. Yeah, try pulling out the CMOS battery, which is that little flat battery, CR2032 battery, and okay, you did reset the BIOS. Oh yeah, did you? I mean, hopefully you didn't do anything with you know, like changing the video BIOS or anything. But yeah, hopefully you didn't do any of that. I mean, you could still actually flash the BIOS onto those cards, those NVIDIA cards at least. I'm pretty sure. Even if it doesn't work, all you have to do is boot into the with the integrated graphics, and then you should be able to flash the BIOS. Let's see. I did reset the BIOS. I have to reset the BIOS for it to boot. I didn't touch the VRAM. Let's see. Oh, 3 is oh, I see what you mean with 3 beeps. Let's see. You have to reset the BIOS for it to boot. Are those cards brand new or are they used? Swap the video card to a smaller. I would. Well, is the power plugged in properly into those cards? You brought it brand new, and does it require external power? Is it aftermarket? Yeah, if they, well, yeah, have they worked before? Hopefully they've worked before. Thermal take, they work, but yeah. The Efi isn't showing anything. That's really nice. Oh, that's why. 3S1. There we go. Clover, and we're gonna go driver 64, and we're just gonna pop in this. Is it 64? Are we supposed to put it into driver 64? I mean, it says X64, so hopefully. Is that all we're supposed to do? Let's see, where's the... There's the chat. Let's see, yeah, it worked in his own case. Then that's weird. I would check to make sure that the PCI connector is, you know, there's no fingerprints or anything. You know, make sure that everything's making good contact, and hopefully that's, you know, the issue is just it wasn't making good contact. Big fan of your live streams. Thank you very much. Glad you like watching them. Some people don't. Some people do. All right, let's take a look here. Flash drive. Do you have 2 monitors to play with? If so, I would say plug one monitor into integrated graphics and another monitor into the graphics card. And, whoa. Oh, okay. Hey! Yeah, you need Apple file system.efi. That's just wonderful. So, nv underscore disable equals 1. And then I can boot. That seems to be all I have to do. Perfect. Then just mod you. Okay, fine. You are now a mod. I don't think that's so. Whatever. Just you're modded. Okay. Now, is the integrated graphics set as the default graphics, or is the NVIDIA card set as default? Also, what is your motherboard like? What is the model number and manufacturer? Sudo make me a sandwich. Gigabyte, and it's okay. Now I'm gonna just look up Gigabyte 3 beeps, and we're gonna see what it is. Oh wow, this is very, very in depth. I'm just gonna, while that continues to boot, I'm gonna just show you what's going on with this. So this is some really in-depth stuff right here. You can even see that it's made specifically for your motherboard. So 4 beeps, is it short beeps or is it long beeps? Actually, does it even signify long or short? Is there... I think that's AMI BIOS, right? H170, yeah, that's AMI BIOS. And so let's see. Real-time clock malfunction. Short beeps. Okay, real-time clock. So I would what you should do is check the CMOS battery, because that that doesn't. Yeah, it also does real-time clock. Yeah, so I would check the CMOS battery. Uh-oh, what happened? Ah, damn it, I know what happened. I know what happened. I always know what happens when you don't do things right. Yeah, I would make sure that the little CMOS battery is, it has a good enough charge. I think it's supposed to be 1.5 volts. It's CR2032. The CR stands for can recharge. Very stupid, but okay. And let's see here. Let it boot. Okay, good. Also, try removing the battery. Just straight up removing the battery and see what happens. I guess I can just do that. And I keep moving the dock onto the wrong screen. Yeah, boot without the CMOS battery. Because hopefully the BIOS will tell you that there's an error with the CMOS battery. And at least you can tell that something is new. Okay, I want to see the delay. Let's see. Because I don't know, kind of interested on the delay, so I'm going to see, play the audio. This isn't live apparently. And I can't even hear myself. That's always good. Sound. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so there's a few seconds of delay. So, what's going on in Vegas today? Oh, you know, heat, and the next thing you know, oh wow, it's 70 degrees outside, 68 degrees outside. That was yesterday and the day before, and now it's Let's see, what's the temperature outside right now? It says that the temperature is 79 degrees. Then tomorrow it's going to be 82. It's pretty bad whenever the high is 78 degrees for Monday, yet somehow it's currently 79 degrees. That really, yeah. Good old Vegas, you know. Trash. I need to be somewhere close to the ocean so it's cool outside, like constantly 70 degrees out. But also I have to make like $300,000 a year in order to do that and not live in a shack. So yeah. I'll go live in San Diego or something. No, that's way too expensive. Way too expensive. Some part of California. Put it that way. That would be nice. But then whenever Kim Jong-un starts firing missiles and his supposed nukes, then I'll take a trip back to Las Vegas and see what happens. Okay, so... And that's without the CMOS battery, right? How about Seattle? No, Microsoft's up there. Ew. And Starbucks. Nasty. You know, I would switch to Mac full time, but just there's the graphics performance on Mac is trash. Like right now it says that I'm getting 16.19 frames per second on a live stream. That's really trash. Pull the CMOS battery out and it's still doing the beeps. Let me think. What if you just straight up removed the graphics card and tried to boot with integrated graphics? What happens? Yeah, you get 60 with OBS because I don't know what your system is, but like no matter what I do, like I'll even show you my settings right now. If I bring this over and do that. Ah, yeah. Fantastic. So, boots just fine without the graphics card. Let's see. What is your motherboard again? It's somewhere, I know that. There it is. H170M. So, that's micro ATX. Do you have another PCI Express slot that you can use, or is it just like one of those 8X slots? Or, no, 2X slots, whatever the hell it is. See, let me show you what happened. Like, this is my settings right now. Now, in Coder, I have X264. Literally, that is the best for this current setup. Like, I don't even know why. Because there's Apple's hardware encoder that doesn't work any better, and then there's Apple's software encoder that also doesn't work any better. Trash. Maybe it's because you have an R9 200X. Maybe that's why. Yeah, because OpenCL on Mac works much better than on Windows. I mean, than on NVIDIA cards. Jeez. Okay, try putting your graphics card into the other slot. See, part of me wants to switch over to you know what? I'm going to stop the live stream for just a second. So we're going to see what happens. But, I mean, 7 minutes remaining, so nothing important's going to happen in that time, I don't. Am I live? Can the people hear me? Can somebody hear me? Hold music. Does it work? Does the live stream work? Can somebody hear me? That would be nice if somebody could hear me. This is my own. Oh, wow. Oh. No, that's not live. That's not hold music. This is not doing anything. Am I live? Can I be live today? 20 frames a second. Wow, this is smoking. Oh. Is it working? Oh. There we go. Am I live? Please, anyone. Can somebody tell me if I am live? Anything. Please. Something. Oh. It works. It works. Sweet. Right. This is just OBS. Come on now. That's just garbage. Now, since my video, my fantastic video of the USSR national anthem is my own content, I guess I could show that. So, just yeah. How does one do? Let's see if I did that. That doesn't give audio. About a minute remaining. It's so close. Audio output capture. Device. I'm really digging this list of devices. Yeah. It's quality. You know what? Since I do have that locally stored, I could just do VLC, video source, and... That's right. I will go get that video. Wherever the hell it's at. Yeah, you could do MIDI output. Like, seriously? Come on. They need to fix this crap. Garbage. Garbage. Oh, oh, oh. No. Oh, I forgot. Damn it. Let's see. There we go. Alright, yeah, that's right. Und. Oh, we got some more stuff. File Vault Prebooter from Preboots. What? It doesn't... I don't even know. Let's see. I just go here. I had to nv underscore disable equals 1. And then I do... No. Oh, that's pretty quick. That's pretty decent for first boot. If it works. Oh, come on now. You can do it. It's not going to do it. Oh, this calls for celebration. Oh, I got to center it. Yeah. I got to... there we go. Close enough. That right there is magnificent. That is a quality ear rape. You must admit, it's not bad. It's quality. Oh, that's why it is compressed. That's why. That's why. Gotta get the uncompressed version. Oh! Oh! Yeah, I live in Afghanistan, as you can clearly see. Why does it... That's the point. No. What? Oh, now my... Some quality ear rape. Just... I'll turn it down next time. Well, hold on a second. It's a spinning beach ball. Oh, come on now. If it works, then it calls for a celebration. This does not have Wi-Fi, and I don't have it plugged into Ethernet. I could just run an Ethernet cable, but, you know. Oh, yeah. I live in the United Arab Emirates. You know, this is simple stuff. You know. Dubai. That's it. Oh, forgot dust. Yeah, there's dust. There we go. The Freedom State. Yeah. Sure. Let's should I just plug it in? I guess I could just plug it in. I don't have a long enough Ethernet cable for that. But I do have a range extender right there. And I do have a cable that would be long enough to do that. But I could just do this. That would... Sorry, I don't have that in ear rape form, so I can't do that. I'm sorry. Whoa, up, down. Yeah, I agree that I'm not going to install this on a computer other than an Apple product. Jeff. And I'll just put a password, I guess. And none of that yin-yang stuffs. We're not doing that. We're going to go straight up on... I don't even know. Let's see what they have. Do they have any new user icon? Or user? No, they don't. Oh, quality. It's not even... Yeah, I guess we're just going to do yin-yang. For now. A little bit more. There we go. Uh-oh. Ah. Glitchy. I don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna sell my information. No, I don't think so. Yeah, that's right. Have that already unchecked. Yeah. Will you just go? I don't care. Find my Mac. That's funny. Cupertino, no. This is... We live in the island of dirt. In the middle of the island. Or, yeah. Closest city. Actually, I think it's just Los Angeles. Yeah, whatever. I don't think it does Las Vegas. Oh. Analytical tracking? Well, what if I want to share my analytics with, or not my analytics, but crash data with developers and not Apple? Come on, a little bit more. Yeah, see how it... Yeah, you can't share any data with the developer. You got to do it with Apple first. Hey, look, my iMac is being set up. Hey! That wasn't that hard. I mean... Let's see. I'm going to try rebooting. And a little bit more. A little bit more. One more. No! Damn it. Gah! Yeah, that's right. Click the mouse and it figures it out that you didn't want that. A little bit down. Yeah. Enter. Steven, go back to your Call of Duty gameplays. God, man. Let me explain Steven here. Steven Lawrence is this piece of shit who literally does absolutely nothing but play Call of Duty and Agar.io. And he keeps bragging to me about how good he is in Call of Duty, but really he isn't. He isn't that good. I no-scope trick shot him like, I don't know, all the time. So, yeah. I don't play Call of Duty. Let's see, env underscore disable equals 1. Boots! Steven, go back. Go away. I know. Steven just needs to get the hell out. Let's see. Put user in timeout. That's literally an option. Oh my god, that's literally an option. I put Steven in timeout. That's hilarious. Real talk, that World War I looks interesting though. Really? I haven't even... I don't even know. I don't look into games and stuff. Oh, who is this? Oh, it's probably that Jew named Steven. Oh, let's see. Steven says that's awesome. That's funny. Oh, no, don't boot. Ooh, that was close. Actually, yeah, that needs to boot. No, never mind. Let's see. How do I remove Steven from timeout? I could put him into another timeout. Let's see, 300 seconds, that's 5 minutes. Ha, Steven's in timeout for 5 minutes. That's funny. Oh? What the hell? GTX or GT630 supported? Yeah. GT630 is way supported. Ah, Steven. Go away, Steven. Steven says, I'm a moderator. I'll remove my own timeout. No, you won't, kid. No, File Vault isn't turned on. Unless it's on by default. Jeez, this is... wow, this is fantastic. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Glorious 20 frames a second thanks to macOS. This is really fantastic. File Vault. No, it's not on. So that's okay. I'll ban him later. He's still in timeout, so he's okay. Uh-oh, did it crash? Oh! No, it's just strumming. Quit. Oh, it must be already quit. Okay. I'm gonna try to get some... Oh! Yeah, Steven's computer is so damn glitchy. Literally, every time you try to boot Mac, there's like a 1 in... I shouldn't say 1 in 9 chance, but basically a 1 in 27 chance that you'll actually boot into it after waiting 5 minutes. Legit. I'm serious. I've seen it firsthand. A few times, actually. And I'm trying to find the High Sierra web drivers that I know doesn't exist, but I'll be looking. And I'm just going to put it there. Steven, are you... what is that called? Are you out of timeout yet? Say something, Steven. Let's see, how do you enable web drivers on High Sierra? Yeah, I'm not seeing anything, so yeah. Ah, Steven! Boy! He said nope.avi, so it's okay. He's probably going to come back and he's probably just going to be, I don't know, typing in dank memes that aren't very dank, but that's okay. he's gonna be like YOLO, trick shots, 360 no scope. Just kidding, 720 no scope. He's a real dork, by the way. Oh, what is this? What is this link? Let's see. How do you go about doing this? So, okay, I should probably put it on this screen. That would probably be okay. OBS. Oh, you guys can see. Good. Wait. What the hell? I don't even know. Yeah, this right here, which was a link sent to me. Where's the chat? There's the chat. So, let's see. Now, okay. Now, what exactly is this? Well, let's see. This macOS kernel extension modifies macOS to recognize NVIDIA's web drivers as platform binaries. This resolves the issue with transparent windows without content. Nice. Now, I'm assuming I'm going to have to install the web drivers, which in that case I'm going to have to modify web drivers, which that's okay. Let's see. Well, Mark has ways. Let's see. Common text and other downloads. And web drivers. macOS 0. Whoa. Let's see. This is Sanely Mac. Let download. Slow ass servers. We'll download that. Wait, is that even the latest version? Part of me thinks that is, but part of me doesn't. That's the latest version, apparently. Alright, so I don't have... I might be able to use the... what do they call it? Xcode command line stuff. Hopefully. So, I forgot what you have to do exactly. Not the unarchived. Well, I guess I could do that. Yeah, that works. And then I go in here and so cd web driver. And what do I have to do? I have to unpackage the package. And I might be able to do it like that. No, I won't be able to do it that way. Well, see, what I have to do is I have to modify the web drivers so it'll actually install on the other computer. And so I have to figure out, let's see, unpackage PG file macOS. I have to figure out the commands to unpackage things. Well, there is a thingy. It's a quality term. Nice. Oh, that's not what I wanted. 2010? Yeah, I think that'll work. Where is it at? Literally right there. Okay. And... no. Okay. What did I do before? I've done this before, where I take the package file and basically extract the information out of it, and then I can modify a piece that I need to. That's what I need. PKUT. That's right. That's a very useful website. Yeah, go there. Literally, you can see what I'm doing. I'm taking PKG util. Expand, and then 1.6, all that stuff. Did I type expand right? Oh, and I'll do blig dot da no dot odd package. It's not doing that. Damn. All right. Then what else could I just web drivers, I suppose. Oh, yeah. There we go. That worked. Blig. But we get back here. So that really doesn't help. Damn, how did I do it before? Yeah, those aren't even. Blig. Could not open package for expansion. Damn. Let's see, what's in distribution? Here we go. This is what I wanted. Right, so basically what I'm going to do is effectively remove the compare build stuff. So, or this validate stuff right here. So let's see. I'll just take this right here and I'll change it out to just false, false. Nah. What about this? If title equals, nah, I won't do that. I'm just gonna do false. Does that have to be capital? No, it does not. And we're gonna see. Oh wait, no. What am I doing? I could just do this right here. Return true, anyways. So now that we have that and that's all saved, what I'm going to do is cd ... and then pkg util flatten -- flatten. And then what is this? Blig to package.package. Fantastic. So I'm going to be taking package.package and I'm going to be taking not that. I'm going to put that on there, but I need that other thing. Yeah, no. What is that? Where is that at? And I'm going to be let's see. No, this isn't it. What the hell am I looking for? I'm looking for that. I need that. I'm going to download that. Selling your 950. All right. Let's see. I'm going to take... There's 2 keks. I'm just going to bring this one over. Oh. Except for this isn't working. I'm just going to put it over here. Somebody put a... That's what I need right there. Store that right there. Right. Can I just... Oh, I can just do that. Fantastic. No. Wait. No. I don't remember the tar commands for extracting that. So let's see. I'm gonna try volumes, install macOS High Sierra, NV. Yeah, that literally didn't do anything. I'm just gonna do that on the other computer. So we're gonna. Yeah, I'll upload that file. That distribution file, but that's the only thing I'll upload. I can't upload anything else. And we're gonna go to where are we? There we are. Yeah. Do we... Anything? Oh. I should probably boot to safe mode so I can actually see what I'm doing. I'm gonna boot to safe mode. A little bit more. I'm gonna say yes on that. Oh, I got it. Where's my chat? I don't even know where my chat is. There is my chat. No idea. Are you talking about an official one, or did somebody make one? Somebody made one? Probably. That boots pretty quickly. I'm actually surprised. Well, I can actually use the computer now. That's good. And I can see the background! Yay! The background is the most important thing here, just saying. Nothing else here is important, so if I press close... Damn it! No! I'll go back and I'll fix it again. And I'll find an actual software that works with uncompressing stuff. Get out of here, Mac. Let's see. And so, alright, if that didn't work out, then we're going to go back and not expand it, but we're going to just keep that there. Let's see, blig. Distribution, open, text at, nah, just kidding. And, okay, so I had that return true, but here's the issue with that, is that, you know what, validate software. Yeah, that's what we're, I'm just going to remove that. We don't need that. We don't need that at all. Is that it? Yeah, that's literally it. We don't need that at all. And I'm going to also return true on things. Function, yeah, that's going to stay there. Yeah, it's just going to return true. It's literally not going to do anything useful. Okay, and what can I do in terms of getting this thing to... Where's my package.package? Replace. And how can I... Unarchiver. I know that works better than this other crap. Validation is for rich people. Gotta get out of here. That's right, Steven. Go back to the hellhole that you call Kentucky. Hey, I got that working. Sweat. Sweat. Right. Steven lives in Kentucky, Stan. It's a weird place. Full of weird people. Full of Stevens. He was probably playing a guard.io or something. Trying to be cool, but you know, that never works out for him. Hey, it works! Returning true on everything works. And deleting other validation things that we don't... shh. We don't talk about that stuff. A little bit more. There we go. It's pretty much bullshit that they removed support for what you call 500 and 600 series cards. Steven, it's a hellhole. Go back to Kentucky. You are now using... Yeah, no care. Go away. Thank you. Alright, so how do we install this thing, right here? I cannot upload the full thing. The only thing I can upload is that distribution thing. It's the only thing that I can upload. I need to open terminal, I'll tell you that. Let's see, volumes. I spelled that wrong? No, I didn't. Alright. And I need to do sudo, and I'm just going to do sudo su. And I'm going to do text util library. Wait, what? That doesn't math right. Oh, I see. Ah, I see. Alright. Alright. So I'm going to copy over, well, the issue, no, that's right. That's fine. Copy and then env. And I'm going to do it and put it into library extensions. Just like that. Is a directory. -F. So used to Linux, and Linux allowing you to do the arguments at the very end or wherever the hell you want to put them. Mac is just Mac. That's all it is. No such file or direct. What the hell are you talking about? Recursive, maybe? No such file. What the hell? Bro, this is not cool. VR. There. Okay. Damn it. Oh. Does that mean it copied? Well, let's... No, I'm not going to do that. What I am going to do is... virtual reality. Sorry, but virtual reality isn't supported on this graphics card. Or anyone's graphics card. Let's see. Library extensions. Why not put the... Well, it's right there. Alright. Alright. I'm going to reboot the system and we're going to see what blows up. Come on. There we go. Oh, come on, damn it. Yes. Get out of here. Oh, really? Installer interrupted the restart. To continue restarting, quit installer. Okay. Cancel. Alert. To install the software, you must restart your computer. Click restart to complete the operation, or the installation. This is why I love Mac. Little shit like that. While this reboots, apparently I'm able to like insert ads, so I'm gonna get that YouTube ad revenue. So you know, yeah. I'm assuming everyone has ad block. Oh wait, I can actually use that now. NVD, yeah. Well, maybe. Boot. Boot. Work with me. Oh. 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 No signal, but it's okay. It's okay. Work! Oh! Oh! Damn it! The fucking thing rebooted. Gah! Yeah, I removed that. Well, actually, I don't even have that on. Like, you can see right here, NVDRV equals 1 is right there. So what I'm going to do is try doing verbose and booting. See what blows up. This system was automatically rebooted after panic. Really? I don't understand the use case scenario of why that would be useful. I still have ice in my water. Well, there I am. Now, if you've noticed something, the background is black. And if you've also noticed something, it's still strobing out. That was a thud. Jeez. Yeah. Now using OS. He's being used. Oh, is not compatible with the current. Ah, damn it. That's why. Back to safe mode we go. Or no, just kidding. NV underscore disable equals 1. So I can fix the damn driver. Actually, where's that link? Somebody sent a link to that thing. I know, so specific, but this is really, really important. If Insanely Mac's website would actually load. If I did NV underscore disable equals 1 and did NV DRV equals 1, it would still not work. The reason why is because the actual driver says that it's not going to work. And so it's purposely preventing it from working. NVIDIA Web Driver Updater. Okay. I'll download it. But I don't know if it'll still work, because last time it was updated was July of 2016. So it's over a year old. But that's okay. We'll boot. And literally that's blocking my view. Okay. NV underscore disable. Well, actually, because it's an option. It's a boot arg. So I might as well do it this way. Now I can pull out the flash drive once I see the progress bar. There we go. Okay, let's see here. Go away. Oh, okay. And I notice it's not detecting my flash drive. Oh, wait. Ah, that's right, because my flash drive is literally right here. Okay, did that copy over? I think it did, but alright. Yes, it copied over. Do. Don't you just love the sound of screeching metal? Like, you know, Metal on metal. I think it sounds fantastic. Right. Up. Ah. We're back. Oh, I'm so busy. People calling me. You know. Oh. Jeff. Oh. Let's see. A patch can be applied immediately if okay. I'm just gonna press patch immediately. Fake OS build ID or version, build version. Now is that the correct version? Let's see. Where be my build? Don't you dare look at that serial number. I will slit your throat. Don't do it. Where's the build number? Oh, version. I have to do that. 17A 36. Jesus. 17A 365. I have no XP with this thing because yeah, but I use NVENC and Qvid, so literally, and basically anything CUDA related, so literally I have to be with NVIDIA, which it's not bad, but it's a very useful feature, NVENC, or CUDA I should say. So I press patch immediately, hopefully it's patched. Yeah, I'm not doing that, but alright, let's reboot, and let's see what blows up. If not, then that's it for today. And that's just to get this thing to work for this version and this version in particular. So if there's an update, you gotta fix it. Alright, hopefully it boots. If it don't boot, I'm gone. I'm gone. Today's sponsor is Smart Water. They have to pay me first before I say anything, but just Smart Water. Literally, it didn't boot. Damn it. What had I done goof on? I mean, it should work just like that. Well, that's a good sign. I remember that screen. Work, damn you. Please. It would be fantastic if this thing worked in full graphics capabilities and everything. But if we don't even have like a web driver... Oh. Damn it. Gah, really? Alright. Well, that's it for today. I'll be out with a video like probably today. Like teaching people how to install. I mean, it's fairly straightforward. I just gotta record video and stuff because, yeah. Alright, well, it's been nice talking to you guys, and that is all for today. I will talk to you guys later. Peace. How does we stop this?